Hey you guys, so today is Friday. I have 2 more days of spring break. So it's around like 1 o'clock right now because we were so tired today. Mia's in the shower. I'm here. I'm picking out outfits like what bikini I want to wear today, but I was so tired. All the shouting last night made my throat so sore. And I had the sniffles, so I had to take some allergy meds, and I went to go lie down. And we were just sleeping until we woke up to go get breakfast. So yeah, we woke up to get breakfast, and then we came back and slept. So now I'm just lying down. I'm still not fully up, but I'm like, let's get ready, go to the beach, and then do something. We're gonna go to the Miami Heat game, but I don't have clothes for that, so. Are you done?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower, change, do my makeup, and then we're about to go grab something to eat and yeah, see what to do today. I do want to take some pictures because I feel like we didn't take much. I mean, we're only here since yesterday though, so that's why. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'll get back to you. Alright, so I'm done getting ready. And y'all, it is so freaking bleak outside. Like, it looks a little bit overcasted. And I think it's supposed to rain tonight. So I don't even know how that's gonna go. Anyways, I did my makeup. I'm wearing this simple top, some black shorts, and I haven't chosen the shoes yet. Anyways, got my hair in a ponytail. I don't know if I should do like a bun or just, I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. But yeah, that's the goal. We're about to go to probably like Ocean Drive again. Go to the beach, take some pictures, but we need to eat something first before we go. I don't know if the sun's gonna come out some more while we're on our way there, hopefully, because I hate this type of weather. But yeah, Mia almost done with her makeup too. I need to put away all these clothes. I wasn't sure what to wear because I was gonna wear this with my bathing suit, but I was just like, it looks too overcasted for that. And I need to go clean up my makeup bag and stuff before we leave, because the people might come in to clean up afterwards. But yeah. I was like, is that Quavo?
Yeah. So he is coming in. He's supposed to come in this weekend.
Oh. Yeah, really? What did you say?
He's coming out this weekend.
Who, Quavo? Really? I'm about to be posted up here tomorrow, I'm saying. Y'all see Quavo behind me?
I didn't even know you were recording.
Right, they got all of them. They got Offset all the way there. Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in for some reason. And then we got Takeoff behind me. It's a nice little Jamaican spot on Washington Ave. I forgot what street. I think it's like 6 in Washington. And it's so cool. It's like Jamaican and Trinidadian food. I ordered the jerk chicken and Mia got the snapper. Hopefully it's good because it's a little spicy. But yeah. we got on the beach, and as girl, it's crowded as usual, and everybody just standing, not doing a damn thing. So we about to go walk there and see what they're doing though.
Not a damn thing.
Not a damn thing. Girl.
Somebody, that's probably the guy. I'm about to say somebody done left the phone in this one.
I wanted to take some pictures, but the way this wind is set up,
I'm telling you.
I didn't feel like taking it off. I feel like I might go back when we go to the hotel.
Yes, get in the pool.
I might just take some by the pool and call it a day. It'd be, Cause it is too much for me. Okay. Oh, look at her in that stand. You saw her? Yes. So right now, we're about to go back to Voodoo Lounge. We're at this bar called
Senior Frog.
Senior Frog.
Yes.
And
It was fun for a little while.
yeah,
The drink was good.
the drink was great. So now we're just like walking to Ocean Drive to see what free stuff they have, because I'm saving my money for tomorrow. Whose braid is that? Somebody was getting wild, but we're at this club, bar, I don't know, and it was good.
Yes.
But after a while it cleared out because a lot of people, they were on like this party bus. So now we're about to see if there's any little free stuff on Ocean Drive that we can go to. And yeah. Yeah, we got some pizza. I'll show you over there. Got some chicken parmesan pizza, and I already had one of the slices. It's so good. I'm gonna have another slice. So it's like almost 2 and we got back because we are tired, yo. This, for people that like us that don't party a lot, doing this back to back every day is like hard. And you would think we would know how to party every night, being that we're college kids, but so untrue.
College will fool you.
College will.
Thinking it's a party and fun all the time.
Yes. So I'm relaxing on this couch because if I get in this bed, I'm gonna be knocked out. But I want to eat this pizza. So I washed my makeup off, and the way I'm tired, I didn't even take the top off. I forgot, like, the top, I still have it on. Like, the top that I wear tonight, I still have it on because I thought it was like a sports bra. I'm so tired, but we're back. I'm gonna eat this pizza. I don't know what I'm gonna drink because all we have is alcohol. All we have is alcohol. Actually, I have a little bit of juice, my Minute Maid, that I had that Minute Maid since Wednesday that I bought at the airport, and I keep taking little sips of it. But let me go get it. I love this hotel room. I'm gonna be so pissed to leave. But yeah, yesterday we came home really late because we saw the City Girls, or City Girl, because their teeth were locked up. But that didn't end until really late. Then we had to find a Lyft or an Uber. And because so much people were trying to get home, it took us forever. And then, so, we were mad tired when we got back. So tired. That's right.
I went back to sleep after.
I'm going back again tomorrow to get a Hawaiian pizza to take with me. I wonder if I can fit it in my luggage. The pizza is so good, you guys. Like,
No, ma'am. Please take that back.
and it's so inexpensive. It's so good. I have to have it one last time tomorrow. But we wanted to we have breakfast here at 8:30 to 9:30. So of course we're not missing free food. But usually after we eat it, we take a nap. But we're gonna try not to tomorrow. And, yeah, and just head to the beach like afterwards, so that we can soak up some fun. Cause we got there really late today. We got there at like 6.
I'm tired as hell.
We were so tired. So we decided to come home a little bit earlier. It's still not early, but earlier than what we did the last time, so that we could wake up, eat breakfast, then get ready and go to the beach. Hey you guys, so I'm already dressed. It's around sorry, my nose is so runny. But it's now like 11:30, I think. We're about to go to the beach. So yeah, we got up 8 already. Now we're about to go. So got everything ready and we're about to leave. So you guys, we are walking. We just got so just got out the lift, and yo, this weather today is so nice. So nice today. VIP Miami. But yeah, y'all, this is the weather that we've been wanting since we got here.
We gotta go down. Yeah.
Yo, we should take some pictures, Mia.
Yes.
The sun is nice out, so we have to, y'all. Yo, we're in Fat Tuesdays right now. Oh, no, you. We're about to, we got some drinks. And then we're gonna go home soon so that we can eat something and take a nap.
Why? I thought you were going to celebration. I thought you were going to celebration. Yeah, that's what you said in your text.
it's our last night in Miami. It's around 11 o'clock at night. No, almost, 12 at night. And we just got ready.
But I just bought this today. I didn't have any other silver earrings.
Oh, okay.
So I was like, gold one look good.
Yeah.
This one is fine. It's this one.
Hey guys, I have this dress on. I just have some flip-flops on because
This is fine.
I have some flip-flops on because I'm not about to be walking around with heels. I'm too tired. But yeah, we're about to see what's happening. It says it's supposed to rain, hopefully not. But yeah, we'll see. Hey y'all, so we're at the airport and I'm just chilling for a while before my flight leaves. So yeah, we're all packed up and ready to go. I'm so sad, y'all, because I do not want to leave. I do not want to go back to this cold ass weather in Pennsylvania. I don't want to go back to school. I'm just ready for summertime. But yeah, we got a month and a half and then summer, so you know, I'ma just push through. But all in all, this trip was so fun, you guys. It was just me and Mia. I definitely think if you want to go on spring break, you should try to go with more people, especially in Miami. But it was still fun. We met people, met new friends. I added a lot of people on Snap, got phone numbers, so that was cool too. And now we're about to head home. And a lot of people and some other people already left and got back already. We're not getting back till midnight. So thank God we're like 15 minutes away from the airport, like my apartment. So it's not like a long drive or anything. But yeah, we're just in the airport, chilling, trying to find a place to eat. We wanted a really cheap flight though, so we have like 2 layovers, I think. Yeah, 2. So I know that's annoying, but at the moment we wanted a good price that was manageable. We're college students, we're broke, so it worked out. Now I'm regretting it because I just want to sleep. But yeah.
Your mom.